We had this big jump, right? And I could attribute like almost all of that is just making it faster. Faster strategy generation, faster AI, faster backtesting. That's most of what it was. There's some other things in there too, like some improvements, like backtesting improvements and like whatever, right? Made the AI a little smarter, but for the most part, I'm noticing that like speed is seems to be one of the most important things. Okay, here's super trend. It's going pretty fast. The 200D moving average, I think, did better than this. We can compare it.
I don't think we need to go back 10 years. I think we should just do it like 3 years. Would be faster.
I mean, this is already pretty fast.
Yeah, it's pretty fast. I just saying.
I'm gonna say it's 2.5 minutes. Whatever. Might as well go back 10 years. Like, why not, right?
Yeah, 10 years.
Yeah. If it's that fast, then who cares, right? About 2.5 minutes. I mean, that's pretty good. It turned 100K into 1 million.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Right? So 1,000% return. That's pretty good. Drawdown 45%. I think our 200-day moving average one did better than this though. Let's see. Just like a simple 200-day moving average filter, I think did better than this.
Right there, 280.
Yeah, I'm just looking for one that has back tests already. So this one has 5 back tests. Let's see. Over the past 10 years, back test this
Yeah,
over,
return 9,000.
right? Like I think this does a
Yeah,
lot better.
they did. We're returning 9,000%. The
Yeah,
other one they did 1,000. So 9 times better.
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
Like I think just a simple 200-day moving average filter did better. This is, mind you, it's not the exact same time period though. So let's match up the time periods. So at least
Okay.
it's like, 2016, January 21st. So it's slightly different. But I mean, when you're measuring in years, I mean, is that 3-year difference, does it make that big of a deal? That big of a difference? Let's see. Just to give them a fair comparison. Yeah, this is blazing fast when it comes to trading stocks. This
Yeah, it is.
Bitcoin is taking so slow. Look at this. Bitcoin and futures are so slow. We got to make. I'm convinced Bitcoin and futures should be almost as fast as stocks. I don't see why not. Look at this. This is almost done right now. Like it took less than a minute.
That's pretty quick. I'm pretty shocked.
Yeah.
And when I do options, it takes me a while, but it's like,
Well, options make sense for it to take a
yeah,
while. We can still make it faster. Don't get me wrong. We'll still make options faster. But options makes more sense because you have to like look for strike prices and expiries. It's like it's much more data to deal with.
yeah.
Right. But if stocks are this fast, futures should be just as fast and Bitcoin should be just as fast, especially if you're doing 1 day cadence. Like it should be pretty much the same. So what do you think about that? Put it into the comments. Let me know. I respond to all of your comments. So I'm very interested to hear what you thought about the video and what do you want to see next. And of course, if you're interested in any of this stuff, go check it out at botspot.trade.